Over the last few months, the Australian government has been introducing several changes that will have a major impact on many aspects of life for international students, working holiday visa makers, and those considering migration from 1st of July 2023, which is just a few days away. In this video, I want to show you the 12 key changes that will be implemented in July and how they will impact your life and your next steps in Australia. Change number 1. Raising the temporary skilled migration income threshold. The temporary skilled migration income threshold will increase from $53,900 to $70,000. Any new visa nomination applications submitted after 1st of July will be required to meet the new TSMIT of $70,000 or the annual market salary rate, whichever is higher. However, this change will not affect individuals who already hold a visa or those who have already submitted their nomination before this date. Change number 2. Expanded pathways to permanent residence. The temporary residence transition stream of the Employer Nomination Scheme visa, subclass 186, will be available to all temporary skill shortage visa holders by the end of 2023. Eligibility for the TRT stream will be reduced from 3 years to 2 years of employment with the sponsoring employer, but applicants will need to continue to work in the nominated occupation for their TSS visa. Additionally, the occupational requirements will not be limited to the medium and long-term strategic skills list. All other nomination and visa requirements for the TRT stream of the Employer Nomination Scheme visa must be met. Change number 3. Direct pathway to Australian citizenship for New Zealand citizens. The Australian government announced a direct pathway to citizenship for New Zealand citizens living in Australia. From 1st of July 2023, New Zealand citizens living in Australia for 4 years or more will be eligible to apply directly for Australian citizenship without first applying for a permanent visa. Change number 4. Migration program planning levels, 190,000 places. The Australian government announced that the 2023-2024 permanent migration program will have a planning level of 190,000 places. The program aims to address skills shortages and support the transition to a net zero emissions economy by attracting specialist skills that are difficult to find or develop in Australia. The program has been designed with a specific composition which is as follows: Skill Stream 137,100 places, Family Stream 52,500 places, and Special Eligibility Stream 400 places. Change number 5. Temporary graduate post-study work rights. The government will grant an extra 2 years of post-study work rights to international higher education graduates of Australian institutions with eligible qualifications to strengthen the pipeline of skilled labor. Change number 6. Work restrictions for student visa holders will be reintroduced. From 1st of July 2023, work restrictions for student visa holders, except in the aged care sector, will be reintroduced and kept at the increased rate of 48 hours per fortnight. According to the government, this ensures that student visa holders are able to focus on obtaining a quality Australian education and qualification while remaining able to support themselves financially, gain valuable work experience, and contribute to Australia's workforce needs. Change number 7. Increase in visa application costs. The government will increase visa application charges from 1st of July 2023, surpassing inflation by a margin of 6 to 40%. As you can see in the table, international students will have to pay $715, tourist visa $190, and working holiday visa will be $640. Change number 8. Salary increase. The Fair Work Commission has announced that the new national minimum wage will be $882.80 per week or $23.23 per hour. It will be applied from the first full pay period starting on or after 1st of July 2023. This means if your weekly pay period starts on Monday, the new rates will apply from Monday, the 3rd of July 2023. Change number 9. COVID visa. If you are a temporary graduate visa holder in Australia, you may apply for and be granted a pandemic event visa with a 2-year period of stay instead of a visa extension. It is just if your temporary graduate visa expires before 1st of July 2023, you are not eligible to apply for a temporary graduate visa extension on 1st of July 2023, you currently have an unfinalized pandemic event visa application and you held a TDV at the time you made that application. You must be working in Australia or have an offer of employment and apply within 90 days before your temporary graduate visa expires or within 28 days after your visa expires. Change number 10. Graduate Visa Work Stream. Graduate Work Stream applications lodged from 1st of July 2023 will need a qualification relevant to an occupation on the skilled occupation list. Also, it will be required a skills assessment in the nominated occupation. Just as a heads up, these requirements were removed from applications lodged between 1st of July 2022 to 30th of June 2023. Change number 11. Change in the medical exams. Urine tests will no longer form part of the medical examination. It will be required a blood test to be undertaken instead. Applicants aged 15 years or older who have not completed their medical examinations prior to 1st of July 2023 will no longer undertake an urine test. Change number 12. Visa 191 Regional Provisional Stream. Now, there's no minimum income requirement for the permanent residence skilled regional visa subclass 191. According to Home Affairs, the primary applicants must provide notice of assessment issued by the Australian Taxation Office for 3 income years out of 5 years of their eligible visa. Also, primary applicants who have already lodged should ensure their application provides these 3 notices. Alright guys, these changes have far-reaching implications and it's essential to understand how they may affect you and your plans in Australia. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, see you next time.